Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paperform for no-code app payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Paperform website. Click on the login button located in the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the respective box. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load your Paperform dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Forms section on the left sidebar. Click on Forms to view your existing forms. To create a new form, click on the New Form button. You will see various templates available for your no-code app. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. Customize your form by adding different fields as required. To set up payments, click on the Payments tab in the Form settings. Select your preferred payment gateway from the available options. Follow the instructions to connect your payment gateway account. After setting up, make sure to configure the payment settings accordingly. You can also enable payment notifications and confirmations. Once your form is ready, click on Publish to make it live. Copy the generated link to share your form with users. Monitor submissions and payments through your dashboard. Utilize the analytics tools to track user engagement. You are now fully equipped to log in and set up payments in Paperform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.